Hey friends! Whoa, look at all these animals! Let's play with them today. The animals have run away. We've got to find them and bring them back. Let's start. What is this animal? It's a bear. And this is, right, a dog. How about this animal? It's a cat. Next. A pig. And this is a hedgehog. Next one. A fox. This is a sheep. What is this animal? A crocodile. How about this one? It's a hippo. Wow, the first animal from our puzzle, a hippo. Let's put it in its place. Hippos love water. They spend most of the day in rivers and lakes to stay cool. Next animal. This is a lion. Now, this one. Right, it's a rabbit. And the last one, an elephant. Woohoo! Look at this, we've got an elephant. An elephant's trunk can pick up a tiny peanut or lift a heavy log. Let's sort these objects. First, green things. Green frog. What's next? Red. A red monkey. Now blue. A blue bear. And finally, yellow. A yellow rabbit. Yay! We've got another animal. It's a rabbit. Rabbits have teeth that never stop growing, so they can chew a lot. It's a tricky puzzle. Let's put it together. Where's this piece? Here. Next, this piece. Got it. Now, the tail. Here it is. And we need the tip too. Aha! Next, is it this one? Let's check. No, it's too small. Then it must be this head. Help me find this piece. Gotcha! And this one. Let's try this tail. It fits. I think I know. Correct. Now the body. I see it. And the tail. Great job! Look, it's our animal. A fox. Here's your place. Foxes have fluffy tails called a brush. They can help them with balance. Wow, these objects are so bright and colorful. What shall we put in this bucket? Blue flowers. Next bucket. Yellow bananas. How about this? Green grapes. And the last bucket, orange butterflies. Nothing's happening. Wait, I want to try something. Aha, it worked. This animal is a monkey. Monkeys love bananas. They can jump and climb very fast. They live in groups and like being together. This game looks fun. Who does this pattern belong to? A giraffe. Next one. A fish. How about this pattern? It's a ladybug. Guess this one. Right, a zebra. And this is a cow. So pretty. It's a butterfly. Next one. It's a sheep. How about this one? It's a bee. And what animal is this? A turtle. Well done, guys. See? One more animal. This time, it's a giraffe. Giraffes have long purple tongues and unique spot patterns. How about sorting these animals? A sheep. Where does it live? On the farm. A cow. It lives on the farm too. A pig goes to the farm. Now, how about a bear? It lives in the forest. A fox lives in the forest too. And this hedgehog. How about a walrus? Where does it live? In the Arctic. An orca lives in the Arctic too. Just like a polar bear. Next, a monkey. It lives in Africa. A lion? Its home is Africa too. What's going on? It doesn't want to go in there. A crocodile lives in Africa too. Wait, what? What do we do with you? Oh, I'll try some magic. Magic worked. It's a lion. And this is a crocodile. Let's put them in their places. Male lions have fluffy manes. Lions sleep for 20 hours. And the crocodile. Crocodiles' eyes are on top of their heads so they can see while hiding underwater. More animals. Let's start with this one. Panda. Monkey. Lion. Bear. Elephant. Zebra. Rhino. Fox. Camel. Look at this. It's a panda. Pandas are great climbers. They can also eat lots and lots of bamboo every day. The animals are missing here. They're just the shapes. Let's fill in these gaps, guys. What is this animal? A giraffe. And what's this? A tiger. Next one. It's an elephant. And this is a zebra. Do you know what animal is this? A polar bear. How about this one? It's a walrus. Next, it's a penguin. And the last one? A seal. Awesome, guys. They're all in place. And one more animal for our puzzle. A tiger. Tigers have very soft paws that can help them sneak up quietly. Great job, guys! Thank you for your help. Our puzzle is now complete, and all the animals found their spots. See you soon, bye!